Hey guys, this is Alik and welcome to Nature with Alik YouTube channel and our beautiful Shulman dragon fruit orchard in nice Thousand Oaks, California. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click notification posting so you would not miss any upcoming videos. We're gonna get short preview right now what's coming, and I'm traveling around the world and will share the beauty of the nature with you very soon. Okay, YouTube channel and my location, nice beautiful Thousand Oaks. Here we go. We're just gonna run through. I pollinated 3,500 flowers in the past 2.5 months, probably since May, since the beginning, and it's going very nice and beautiful. Plants are so happy. Lots of flower. See all the dry flowers we're cleaning up right now, and we're gonna do the nice presentation very soon. So the first is gonna be Delight. Look at this beautiful fruit. Delight is over here. Okay, so we're gonna cut this one very soon, and we're gonna do brick score test and video coming about Delight tasting. Okay, I just want to share with you the Nature with Alik. Okay, here we go. See the beautiful doves. Mama is sitting right now. Today it was hatched, one chick already hatched, and she still have a second egg on sitting on it. So very soon she's gonna start to feed the babies, and we're moving forward. We have lots of nests over here. People who come over here with family and friends, they're enjoying to see it. They're so happy to see the nature, so happy to taste the fruit, and everybody is getting some gift back home. Okay, so this is Valdivia Roja. Thank you, Edgar Valdivia, for giving us this variety. Look how many flowers, 20 flowers. This is coming as well. The tasting is coming very soon. As well as we're gonna do the Robles Red. Look at this, very pretty, amazing fruit. Okay, self-pollinating fruit, Robles Red coming in. Okay, lots of more over here. Lots of Laverne, baby fruit coming very soon. And please follow me, I'll show you more. Oh, lots of birds nesting around. I see them flying as soon as we're walking in. They're taking off. Okay, American Beauty is coming. Oh, I need to open this flower. This is probably for tonight. It's gonna open. Okay, lots of flowers we're pollinating. Lisa, look at this, Lisa. She's smiling. She said, take me. Look at this, Lisa. You remember last year was Lisa tasting? It was really funny. It's like a nose and a mouth. It's so cool. She always makes all these funny faces with the fruit. And that fruit probably at least 1.5 pounds. And it's coming, lots coming. The Enigma already have flowers, and fruit is coming as well with the cherry flavor. We have brownie. We have, oh, I'll show you the coconut flavor. Oh my goodness. Look at this, Mr. Wu. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, look at that side. And people already taking a couple days. I had so many visitors on Sunday. They already took lots of Mr. Wu and Michelle fruit. Here we go. Edgar Valdivia. Here's your Michelle fruit already. Here we go, guys. So please give us a call. Look at this. Every branch, 2, 3, 4. Look at this, one branch. Sometimes people calling, I would like cutting. We can't release the cuttings because you've got 3, 4 fruit per branch on our beautiful plants. So looking forward to see you guys. This is just a preview from Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard, Southern California. Welcome to all of you. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Nature with Alik. And this way you will not miss any updates on fruit harvesting, on plants, on releases, and all the best. Alik 323 area code 547-1273. Looking forward.